and we are now going to the future of energy. So how has the morning been for you?
It's wonderful. We had artificial intelligence, and it's just expanding, and it's been very exciting. This is a little tricky, but we love it. So I'm very excited because you've done a great job. The women are well represented at Real Estate Futureproof. You are the best, Wouter. I saw that conference from Singapore. Oh, that woman, she's great. We all got to go to Singapore, huh? It's really good.
I hope we can.
Okay, so what do we do with our women? Because I know we have very little time.
I know. I hope Lotte will get them on stage.
Together
with Iris.
We are having fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you get some messages from your?
Yeah.
We should get here. Messina.
Yeah, is she there, Messina?
Messina, Sylvie, and Myriam.
Yeah. I don't know, because we were given a link this morning.
Yeah, the backstage link. The most important thing.
Yeah. So that's the same link that I'm connected on now, correct?
Yeah, you use that link right now. Yeah.
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 Okay, are you there?
I'm sorry?
Okay, Messina's there. She's trying to get in.
Okay, she's trying to get I see something. Here is Myriam. Let's put her on stage.
Yeah.
There she is.
Oh, how exciting. Oh, Myriam, that's you. I was just calling you. And where's our little Sylvie? Okay,
Sylvie,
well, I had a little tricky thing. I'm a little bit worried. Okay.
How? Oh, she's muted.
Oh, you're muted?
Hello, I'm waiting for Sylvie. How are you doing?
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Wouter. Thank you.
Okay, so Messina's there someplace. I'm a little nervous about the slides. I tried to show the slides and I got cut off. So I don't know what you think. Everybody else was able to do the slides.
What kind of, did you send the slides to me as well or not?
Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, you had to direct the slides. Okay.
But you can try it to do it because
okay, I'm not going to try to do it because, as I said, I got thrown out. But I will send you right now the slides. How about that?
Oh, that's also good. Yeah, I can share them for you.
Okay, that would be good. Sorry.
Always here to help out.
Yeah. Okay, so it's the first slide. There are 3 series of slides, so I'm transferring that to you. And then maybe if you could show them, and that would be perfect. Okay, so now we're backstage. Do we have somebody else?
No, we're main stage already, so everybody is hearing us.
Hey, hi. Okay, well, we got Myriam, who is the CEO of Sungy, who is a big specialist. This is World Women in Real Estate who came from the banking world. She had a dream one day and she decided everybody has to have solar energy, and she's absolutely right. So we got Sylvie that's coming in. Okay, so Sylvie, who is also a long, well, we had her. So Myriam, because we're going to enjoy this little adaptation, tell us a little bit about you and how you're advancing with the solar energy for Europe.
Okay, I can start and try. Let me just try to share my screen. Maybe you can see it. Okay, it doesn't work. Don't worry. Yeah, hello everybody. I'm Myriam Fournier Kacimi. As Janicka said, I'm the CEO, president, and founder of Sungy. Sungy is developing innovative solar energy project, turnkey project, and we do deliver that to real estate owners, developers, managers, but also investors. The added value we promise them and we deliver to them are among 3 points. The first one is how to increase their value and how to sell their buildings better, quicker, and with a much more better price. Because you do have today rooftops that are not used, that are not exploited. And thanks to the rooftop, you have square meters that could really increase your value, your extra revenue in 3 ways. Your renter will be able to pay a bit more in terms of renting because they can compensate their CO2 gas emissions thanks to many method and structure, thanks to finance and to climate finance. And they will be more than happy to share their sustainable objective and to achieve them thanks to them. Last but not least, you will also have the possibility to increase your revenue in terms of energy selling. You can sell the surplus to the national grid company like EDF in France or ENER or ENI or other ones that are more than happy to buy you this energy and this clean energy. So on 3 ways, thanks to solar energy, you can increase your sustainability, but you can, of course, increase your revenue and your asset valuation.
So that's very exciting. We have 2 people that are joining our event, but we're trying to get them in. So Myriam, tell us about your adventure of how you decided to do all of this when you're an award-winning entrepreneur, and you're also working now in Algeria where there's lots of sunshine. Of course, you're back here with the COVID and Marseille where there's also lots of sunshine. And tell us about that transition until we get Sylvie and Messina here.
All right, thank you. Yeah, you're absolutely right. I've been able to deliver already a profitable project, solar project, both in Africa and in Europe, where we were addressing banks, we were addressing industries, but also, again, real estate owners, real estate investors. They are really keen on having these 3 new revenue streams, one on the asset side, so they can really increase the asset valuation. So, as I said, they sell it quicker and better. And also in terms of operational expenditures on a daily basis. In Africa, we faced another issue. We have many issues on electricity connections and also many outages. And thanks to solar energy, we have been able to make sure that they will have a continuous plan in terms of electricity. Secondly, you have no time, and it's not your job to manage your energy investment and your energy flows. Thanks to IA today, and thanks to technology like electronics, information technology, but also internet, we have been able to digital your flows and your monitoring. So you have nothing to do instead of putting some sensor everywhere, and we merge together all those different expertise. So electricity, electronics, IT, IA, but also civil works, of course. Thanks to all these different business and expertise management, we are able to deliver today huge and important and stable return on investment to you, real estate investors, developers, managers, but also owners. That's the reason why.
Myriam, we can't see you. I don't know where you disappeared. Did you shut off your screen or?
No, I can see myself.
Okay.
I can see you.
Okay, so we have Messina and Sylvie who are there. So we're trying to get them in and we're texting away. So
okay. And lastly, to end over on that, you were right. We received many distinctions and prizes from different institutions, but also from Europe and from the economic diplomacy, and from the World Bank, because thanks to our process and our innovative process, we really have been able to deliver return and sustainability growth while measuring the positive impact. So my conclusion will be, we can help you to transform a social or regulatory constraint or pressure for this energy transition and environmental pressure to commercial opportunities. How we can really merge together. You have these constraints from your clients, from the society, and from the regulator to move to energy transition, and we make it profitable, and we help you to have commercial opportunities and growth. My name is Myriam Fournier Kacimi. You can contact me on LinkedIn. My company is Sungy, really easy to find on Google. Sungy, S-U-N-G-Y, and I will be more than happy to study your needs and deliver you profitable projects. Thank you, Janicka.
Okay, well, Myriam, you're a lucky girl because you need to stay there. I don't know where the other people are.
Thank you, Wouter.
Yeah, so I am trying to get the other people. Can you tell me a little bit, Wouter? We're trying to find Myriam got sort of thrown off. So
yeah, we're trying to find them also. So Lotte is working very hard to find them and to get them online, but I don't know.
Okay, so, and how about Messina? Can you see Messina?
Nope.
No, okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
so I will just introduce.
You have the stage, Myriam. Go ahead.
I will just introduce what Sylvie Perrin was supposed to say, and I hope she will be able to come to this roundtable. Sylvie is a lawyer at the De Gaulle Finance Associates, and she has been able to show and to lobby for.
Myriam, I'm going to try to show this. I'm going to try to show the slides if you will let me. I hope I won't get thrown off, but just continue if I am. So I am going to give them the slide. Sorry. Okay.
Janicka, let's try for you to get Messina and Sylvie in, and I will go on.
We're trying. My screen is blocked. Okay, so just continue, and we still can't see you. I don't know if it's your internet. So
I think Wouter was able to see me.
No, well. I don't know, but
yes, I can see you. I can see you.
Yeah.
Okay, great, because I can't see her. So
yeah, I can see you.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Myriam, so can you explain a little bit what's happening in Africa? Because a lot of things are moving in Africa. You're actually located in the north of Africa. This is a country where in 20 years there'll be 2 billion people. So there's a lot of activity going on. So what can you explain? And I was also informed that 48% of companies are owned by women in Africa. So they're way in advance to a lot of things happening in Europe. So can you describe that, and especially with solar energy, because I know that's a field where a lot of women owners are working on today.
Yeah, you're right. So we have been able in Africa to serve our clients and to deliver them added value, because again, we have been able to show, and they have been more than happy to see that it's really compatible. So it's not only a constraint from transition energy, it's an economic purpose. They don't have to lose money because they go from conventional energy to solar energy. So solar energy is cheaper, is easy to install, easy to monitor, and in terms of self-consumption, when you have a very great project team for civil works, study, but up to the operating and maintenance, in a short-term basis, solar energy is cheaper everywhere. In Africa, you were right. They have these rooftops, but they also have a huge solar irrigation. And then we'll get also women being able to transform that. So that means we have outages. And because of outages, they have oil genset, they have UPS inverter to make sure that when they have outages or low voltage or high voltage, then thanks to solar energy, we have been able to compensate these flows as well.
Okay. Oh, Messina, we just had Messina. Messina, can you hear us?
Yes, yes.
We just have your wonderful picture. I don't know where your picture went, but apparently everybody can you see Messina, Myriam? Sorry that I interrupted you, but she had her picture and then her picture disappeared. Okay, Myriam, thank you so much for all of that information. We're still trying to get Sylvie to come in. Messina, can you go ahead? You are also a greatly award-winning women. You are a civil engineer. Your company, which is Messibat, has just won many awards. And also you're going to talk to us about your project in Ghana, which will be one of the most important projects for the country. And also you're having many different real estate organizations helping you even on a pro bono factor. So why don't you explain that? I can only see myself, but anyways, I did see your picture. Myriam, can you see Messina?
Yeah, yes, I can see everybody. Just go ahead, Messina. Time is running.
Great. Go ahead, Messina. Thank you so much, Myriam.
Thank you. Yes, hello. So I'm Mrs. Messina Guikoume, founder and CEO of Messibat International. We are specialists in green building and smart city. So after that, I'm going to, my colleague, I'm going to speak about the project of GM Bamboo Eco City in Ghana, because it's more fluently in English than me. So I don't want to, I want to, that everybody listen to my project, okay? Okay, Ronald, can you present the project, please?
Yeah, sorry, good morning, everybody. So I will speak on behalf of Messina Guikoume. Sorry, because her English is good, but she has a bit to improve. Me too, actually. So about firstly, to complete what Messina Guikoume has just said, thank you to everybody to attend this wonderful event. It was really interesting also, Myriam, and also the presentations before, Autodesk and so on. We are specialized, as Messina mentioned, in affordable, but also green buildings. So not only green, but also affordable, and also especially sustainable. We are also specialized in the building of houses and other types of buildings in earth, so in bricks, in raw earth bricks, but also in rammed earth. And we have now, yes, as she mentioned, and as Janicka mentioned, a really big and nice and wonderful, I would say, project in Ghana, starting 1st of November already this year, with the first stone. So Messina should be at the place in Ghana with our co-founder, because we are partner of a company in Ghana, which is called GM Bamboo Eco City Limited, to put the first stone in November for a project of 3 years to build 2,000 houses, which are green and affordable, but also within this area to put all the other amenities like 50-place hospital, like all the tourism and industry amenities, so that the people can also work there, okay? And all those houses, and this is not only in Ghana, everywhere in Africa where we are active, those houses are independent in energy, in water, and sanitation as well. So you, for example, you don't need anymore, of course, of air conditioning. We have special systems to provide the fresh air and very healthy air to all those houses. And they are especially also 40% less expensive, and the deadline to build them is also very much shorter, half the time or even shorter. So it's really interesting for all the real estate actors, like also developers, but also construction company like us. And what is really important now, Janicka and all all the people specialized in real estate is that Messina would tell you as well, okay, that we are partner of Autodesk. One speaker just before were speaking about Autodesk, and we have the real chance and opportunity to work in direct with the USA. They have 3 Autodesk technical centers in San Francisco, Boston, and also Toronto, Canada. And we are working with them from now, beginning really the real matters 15th of October for maybe 1 year, because for our building and construction techniques, we use earth. So we are going to thank all the engineers of Autodesk and specialists and all the management to build new prototypes and new materials, combining even bamboo and earth. And we are with the ISO based in Geneva headquarters, headquarters. We are developing new standards, ISO standards, to create actually new standards for materials combining earth and bamboo. So this is really interesting to work with Autodesk. We have really this chance and opportunity because we are now beginning this, as they mentioned, I would say class, and all the engineers can help us not only to develop new prototypes, but also new materials. And finally, we have also edge buildings, which is a kind of subcontractor of the IFC, the World Bank. Okay, we are now going to expertise and make the certification for all our houses, not only in Ghana. Edge certification is very important for water, energy, and materials used, okay? And all the houses will be edge buildings certified. And a team like me, some people in our team, like me, for example, we are following all the education to become edge expert as well, and edge auditor as well. So this is really wonderful. And I thank Janicka and also Wouter to have the opportunity to represent Messina. I'm sorry, I'm not a woman, but okay.
Janicka, you need to put on your mic. Janicka, you need to put on
Wouter.
Janicka, yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, great. Okay, yeah. Roland, just quickly, because I know you're looking for investors on this project as well. Maybe you want to just say that quickly about... and I know that all of these wonderful women, both Myriam and Messina, have won many awards in Africa, and they're working together. There's so many women, women owners that are really advancing the energy, and that's why they're part of this whole new transition. Wouter, do you know if Sylvie is, I know that Sylvie is waiting to get in or something. I don't know if she
but the time is up already because we are already into the panel time. So I would like to thank you all very much. Thank you for your story. And also we have the challenge, so you can see it back to me in the back to me. We have the challenge, a 30-second video. Just WhatsApp it to me in the comments in the chat. You can find my telephone number. So really looking forward to your 30 seconds videos on how we can reinvent real estate and how you look into the future of real estate. And you can win this book, of course, of Aaron Block. So I will give it away. So thank you very much, Janicka and all the women.
Okay.
Thank you, Wouter. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Myriam. Thank you, Messina. Thank you, Roland. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Myriam. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, there we go.